Hello viewers, another air raid siren in Los Angeles. This is siren number 20. It's a wire spool. It's on Colorado Boulevard and College View Avenue in Eagle Rock, California. Show you a map where I'm at. Alright, siren number 20, wire spool. Paint is peeling apart on the siren, and the wire from the telephone pole runs over, that power pole wire runs over to the pole, and then it's cut at the insulators. So it has power from the pole, but it's cut, so the siren probably doesn't work. There you go, another air raid siren in Los Angeles, siren number 20, a wire spool, here in Eagle Rock, California, with no power. All right. Thanks for watching.